Hey guys, so I'm going to be reviewing this 2K 3 megapixel outdoor camera that is wireless and with solar panel. And let's go ahead and look at some features that this camera has. As I said before, it has 2K 3 megapixel resolution, two-way audio, night color vision, motion alert, smart siren, battery, rechargeable battery, multi-user sharing. You can tilt it and change the direction. Waterproof, and the TF card and the cloud storage. Now let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so when we first open it, what we see is the starting guide that we have that is definitely going to be useful later on. And here we have the solar panel that we're going to use. And here is the actual camera that we're going to use. And here are some other materials that are needed in order to mount this toilet bowl or any kind of other things. And these are just some stickers. And that's it. Let me show you all the materials and clear this up. And then let's go ahead and show you some more features. So these are all the materials. When we clear everything up, as you can see, the camera, you can tilt and you can adjust it on however you like. The solar panel with its charge, rechargeable as we said, for mounting some screwdrivers and etc. Quick start guide. And these are all the materials. Now let me show you how to set the camera up, and then let's mount it and then show you the features like that. And so I wanted to show you how to charge the camera basically. And in order to do this, you're just gonna open this part right here that is closed with the silicone. You open that. This is the charging cable, and with the head that you find, you just plug it in. And you can know if it's charging or not by this light right here. This is red currently, but when it's fully charged, it takes approximately 6 to 8 hours. And once it's done, this light right here changes from red to blue, and that's how we know if it's fully charged or not. And so now let me show you how to set this up on your phone, and then let me mount it to the wall and then show you some examples like that. So now let me show you how to connect this device with your phone so you can control it and monitor it like that. So as it says over here, what you're first supposed to do is download this WanToYou Cloud app that is right here. Then I already signed in, but it's gonna ask you to sign up and then sign in for this app right here. And then what you're gonna do is, this camera right here is model R6 right here, which is a new camera. And then what we do is we connect this device through this app. So we basically connect it to the Wi-Fi, connect it to our Wi-Fi so the camera can work. And then we can go to the future explanations. So I also wanted to add this quick information, and right here what you see is the start button. And in order to start the camera and see if it's fully charged and basically anything else, you have to press this button right here, start button, for 5 seconds, and right there, this indicates that this camera right now is working and is charged. And that's how we can start the camera. Now I'm gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi and to the Bluetooth of my phone, and let's go. So now I'm done with each step, and we're currently successfully done. So now we are paired, we're in good condition, and as you can see right here, we have the camera. So it's upside down currently. It is supposed to say like this, as you can see over here. And that should be it for this camera. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and mount this camera. And in order to do that, first we take off this piece at the back, and then we're gonna attach this. We're gonna mount this to right here, and then we're gonna add on the camera. So now we attach this part and we're putting on the camera. Yep, just like that. And as you can see, you can turn upwards or down. You can tilt it basically. And now we're gonna add the solar panel right here in order to produce solar energy to make this camera work. Okay, so now we're gonna input this 32 gigabytes of SD card into this plug right here. So this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna go ahead and attach this solar panel through this cable right here to the camera, and I'm gonna show you how to monitor the camera. Okay, so this is how the camera looks like. As you can see, it shows the front yard, and you can basically monitor it. Isn't it right here? As you can see, it can go left, right, up, or down as of your choice. Oh, I left the screwdriver there. You can go to local photo to get a photo. As you can see, it took a screenshot of it. You can go and record the time. As you can see over here, you can go to me local videos to see this, and then you can record. You can basically talk with audio to a audio, and we can close it or not. You get 2Ks, you can see here, SD card and etc. And this is overall how it looks like. As you can see, there are a bunch of features. So some other features that this camera has are right here. As you can see, alert chat mode, replay, you can replay, you can play with the console, monitor it, you can put on sirens in case an emergency is happening. You can open or close the light. As you can see, opening it and then closing it. And some of them include talking mode. Let me open the camera. And as you can see, you can go back to the history, which is a real cool thing to have. Talking mode. Let's talk. Hey.
Hey.
You were being watched. Okay. And that's it. You can put on sirens. You can put on positioning. You can go for replay. The console. As you can see. Yep. So I would definitely recommend buying this product since it has a bunch of features to it and a lot of other different things. So definitely go and check this product out. It's one of the best in the market and it's a new camera. So definitely check this out.